Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 6th generation Nissan Altima. This is a 2024 model, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your turn signal lights are not working. Now you want to check this fuse only in case none of the turn signals are working. If you're having problems with just one turn signal, then you want to check the wiring towards it, you want to check the bulb, you want to check the socket and things like that. But if none of them work, you want to check the fuse I'm about to show you. This video should apply to Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. So you want to gently pry into this opening and lower it down. The best tool to use would be like a flat screwdriver or a small key, or even you might do it with your finger. Once you remove the cover, on the back side there is a small fuse diagram, and this black piece, this is the fuse puller you should be able to use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the turn signal fuse will be this fuse right here, 10 amp red fuse, so it's gonna be the 5th fuse from the right side. And like I said, this applies only if none of the turn signals are working. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.